Hello, this is Jeff with GetResponse. In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page. First, click Create at the top of your dashboard, and then Create Landing Page. This will take you to the template selection screen. You'll see plenty of templates that we've already made for you. On the left, you'll see the option to narrow it down to certain categories. As well, there's My Templates, which will show any templates that you yourself have made and saved in the past, and Build from Scratch allows you to choose a simple template. We'll choose this one. Here you'll see a preview of both of the main page and the thank you page. This is what shows when people sign up on the landing page. And here you'll enter a name, which is just for your own reference. Next step will bring you to the editor. Starting at the top left, this envelope icon will bring you back to your main dashboard. The arrows allow you to undo and redo changes you've made. Variant A will show your main landing page, and the plus will allow you to add other variants for use with A/B testing. And this tab lets you view and edit the thank you page. These icons allow you to edit both the desktop and mobile view of the page. And with this icon, you can preview both of those versions. HTML will allow you to view the actual HTML source code and edit it if you're comfortable coding. The gear icon lets you see your SEO settings, cookies notification option, as well as the option to upload a custom favicon or Facebook thumbnail, the option to save, and next step will allow you to move to the final step once you're ready to continue. With any template, the most basic part would be a section. This is where you add any of your elements. Here we have one with a white background and one with a blue image. You can double-click the background in order to change it. If you click on an element, such as a form, you'll first see the most basic options, the option to duplicate, change the layers, and delete. And with this web form fields icon, we'll be able to add or remove fields from the form, for example. If you double-click it, you'll get the more advanced options. We have the option to change the font, text size, etc. And on the right side menu, we'll find the different elements that we can add. For example, another section, a text block, image block, button, a sign-up form, which will find both static forms like the one already on the page, and pop-up forms. We have some basic shapes, a webinar sign-up. You'll see that I don't have any webinars scheduled right now, so there's no option to add it. A countdown timer, video, some social sharing options, a PayPal button, and here we can add a custom code block, which allows you to add custom HTML or JavaScript without actually editing the source code of the page. Once you've set your page up as you wanted, you'll also want to go to the mobile view and edit how it will appear on mobile devices. In the mobile view, you can drag and drop the different elements and also hide them if there's any elements you don't want to show on mobile. Once you have it set as you'd like, click Next Step, and that will bring us to the final settings step. So here we'll find the SEO settings again, the option to not index if you don't want it to show in search engines, the option to choose your URL settings. We provide a subdomain by default. We offer 3 different domains you can choose from, and here you can enter essentially anything you wanted as long as it would be a valid URL. Here you can assign your own domain if you wanted to add one that you own. You can also use a subdomain. And these links will show you information on changing your DNS settings for a domain, or adding a CNAME entry if you're going to use a subdomain. This drop-down allows you to choose the list that people are added to. This switch allows you to have confirmed opt-in on or off. Here you'll choose whether people are added to your autoresponder cycle, and if so, what message they'd be sent first. And here you'll find the thank you page options. Default will show the thank you page that you've made in the editor. Custom allows you to add your own URL, and Stay on Current Page will do just that. And finally, we'll find tracking options. You can add things like a Facebook pixel. When you're ready, click Publish, and the page will be active. And in the future, if you want to get back to your page, from your main dashboard, click Menu, Landing Pages, and you'll see your landing page here. That concludes this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us via chat with the option you see on the left. And until the next video, farewell.